Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to talking about arbitrage. If you are unfamiliar with this term, arbitrage is essentially the practice of buying and selling goods or the assets in different markets to take advantage of price discrepancies. This can be a great way to make money, but it can also be risky if you don't know what you are doing. So in this video we are going to cover basic of arbitrage and give you some tips on how to get started. What is arbitrage? Arbitrage is an act of buying and selling the same or similar assets in different markets to take advantage of price discrepancies. For example, let's say you notice that the certain stock is trading at lower price on one exchange than another. You could buy the stock on the lower price exchange and then immediately sell it on the higher price exchange for the profit. Here we see type of arbitrage. There are several types of arbitrage including geographic arbitrage. This involves buying and selling assets in different geographical regions. For example, you could buy a product in one country where it's cheap and then sell it in another country where it's expensive. And second is temporal arbitrage. This involves buying and selling assets at a different point in time. For example, you could buy a stock when it's low and sell it when it's high. Statistical arbitrage. This involves using statistical model is to identify price of discrepancies in the market. For example, you could use a statistical model to identify when a stock undervalued and then buy it before it's going up in the price. Benefit and risk of arbitrage. The main benefit of arbitrage is that it can be a great way to make money if you identify the price discrepancies in the market and take advantage of them. You can earn profit. However, there are also risks involved. For example, if you make mistake and buy at the wrong time, you could lose money. Additional, some form of arbitrage such as a high frequency trading require a lot of technical expertise and can be very risky. I give you some tips for getting started with arbitrage. If you are interested in getting started with the arbitrage, here are some tips to keep in mind. Number 1, do your research. Before you invest in any money, make sure you understand the market you are investing in and the risk involved. Start small. It's good idea to start with a small investment and work your way up as you and gain experience. Use automation tools. There are many tools available that can help you automate your arbitrage trade and reduce your risk. Stay up. And fourth step is stay up to date. Keep an eye on the market and stay informed about any news or event that could impact your investment. Last is final summary. Arbitrage can be a great way to make money, but it's important to do your research and understand the risk involved. By following these tips and staying informed, you can increase your chance of success in the world of arbitrage. Thank you for watching and we see you in next video. Allah Hafiz.